Airbnb HSMC, Airbnb Home Sharing Management Company. I was just writing down top 10 things I wish they had taught me in school. Airbnb HSMC, or Home Sharing Management Company. Think about it. When I got started, wanted to get into real estate, I thought you had to have a lot of money, had to have great credit, but now you can use Airbnb and other sites like Airbnb, and you can actually rent out properties for homeowners and get paid to do it. So you don't even need to own the property to start. Problem is, they don't teach us in school. Now, you might have seen my Airbnb HSMC program, the higher price program. Well, I've decided I'm going to open it up to basically anyone. I've created a small test group where you can get in and try it for just $1. Click the link below to get trained and get started on how to launch your own Airbnb HSMC program, Home Sharing Management Company. Click the link